Hi. Neon here. I am at a little crafty retreat like I go on because I do crafts and magnet fishing. Now you know all about Neon. And there's a lake out here. This is the lake that I found Turbo Jr. There's some fishermen out on this dock over here, so I'm going to try to hit these little boat ramps over here. I think Ashley hit there before when it was like a girls trip out here. So I'm going to start there and then go to the place where I found Turbo. But, so stay tuned and see what I find. There are fishermen on the fishing docks I want to go to. But there are these three. It does say no fishing, but I mean, I am using a magnet to retrieve metal, so that's not fishing, right? Right? This is the lake I found Turbo, but not the dock I found Turbo. This is shallow over here. This is a lake that has like that sandy bottom. It's like a rocky but sandy bottom. Okay, nothing here. Let's go over to this other one in the middle. Okay. Oh, you got a nail? Yeah, nailed it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go over there to that. Just the walkway. So, got those two things. A nail and a little, maybe a tent stake? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna try along the edges since there's fishermen up there. Let's see. Got a little metal piece. So, oh, okay. If I get right there and I go like that, I think I can do a little bit of sneak attack. Solid rock. Okay. See, some of the other docks have this corrugated tin, like I know some of y'all have lost or almost lost some magnets on. I don't even want to play with that. I do have my come along with me and my Jeep and some rope, but that's not what I want to do today. No, it looks like we got a nail. Right now I'm celebrating everything. Got a nail. Yeah, maybe time to call this spot, but it feels really heavy. Really heavy for Turbo. What? Oh, we got something, guys. Oh, look at Turbo. Turbo's got it on top. Like a piece of rebar, maybe? It's really not rebar, but you know. Huh. That's Turbo. See, right when I think about leaving, Turbo says, oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna get you something, Neon. Bringing him back to his home turf here. Just a little something, something. That's all I want. Just bring me magnets and tacos and I'll be happy. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna guess Bud Light. I did see that it was blue. What is it? It's a Bud Light. Okay. So like I said, I have my double-sided 1,200-pound brute with me. I have the Terror, the Magnetar Terror. I've got Turbo Jr., whatever he is. And my hook. I got the Kraken. I got like 3 ropes. I got some tie straps with me. I got my come along. in my bucket. Not even a bottle cap. Let's see. We got the innards, but it's gone. Oh, we got something. We got a hook. See, I badmouth the hook and then we get a hook. There's that little hook. Got us a hook here. What? We got a button battery. Darn it, people. Don't throw away batteries in the lake. So I don't know if they're gonna, I would assume they're gonna destroy that one. Is that a rock? What is that? What is that red thing? First I thought it was a carrot, but I'm like, yeah, I don't think it's a carrot. It's too flat and wrong color. Oh, there's a bunch of boats going in. There's 2 more being launched right now. There's a pole, there's a pole, there's a pole. Always gotta check your poles. And it's not a euphemism. You don't want to get your pole, you know, caught on your poles. I'm not feeling crap. Dickens. Look. Oh, an old hook. An old hooker. They still need love too. Oh, we got a nail or a screw. Got a screw. Got a screw. See, I'm lifting that. That's a branch. Damn it. Got me all excited, Turbo. And then you let Mama down. Trying not to bother y'all. Okay. Well, I'll be throwing a magnet. I don't want to scare the fish away. That's true. That's true. Okay. Okay, so they've asked, or they said I could come down there. I'm gonna do it. Well, if you think I'm bothering you, please let me know. Okay.
Our time is drawing near.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've been out for a while. They just a little slow. So.
Yeah, I'm just finding metal and cleaning up the water. That's why it was in there. Well, I hope y'all have better luck next time.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's right. You have a good day.
Thank you. You have a good weekend.
Alrighty.
Bud Light. Do I have something? No, I can't tell. I got bells. Catfish bells. Kind of jacked. Check your carabiner every now and then. Okay. I love these 360 magnets. That feels like fishing line. Yep, and it feels like I just broke through. See if there's any fishing line on the magnet. Nope. Do we have anything? Yes, we do. Okay. Got a big, now is that a catfish? It's a catfish hook, right? Or is it a bass hook? I don't remember. The big J's. Okay. That's what I call them. So you know, we got a cast net weight. That one came off easy for terror. Huh. So I've been using my terror since I got in December, And it does, you know, this is why you need like that case, that covering on top. It will, you know, when you hit rocks or hit the bottom, it's gonna, but this thing's still powerful as everything. Oh, we got a little something. Okay, I saw the bottle cap. I think it's a Corona. And we got a hook. So there's the hooker. Yep. We got a Coronis. I'm gonna go to the docks where I found Turbo Jr. See what's happening there. That's on like the, I think it's the southeast end of the lake. One good players. We got tools, man. Okay, so we got a little Rubber band. Oh, they are bringing fishing poles, damn it. Look at those. Those are interesting. Oh, fuck. Got a Corona.
You had any luck with that thing?
Yeah, I found well, I just found that weight, but you need a weight?
No, thank you.
Not too much out here, but a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's a very strong one.
I've seen videos of that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's. I won't put y'all on it, but yeah, I'm recording.
Are you?
Yeah, I have a channel.
Awesome.
Rear handle. There's something right there. But it's not coming on. Tried the hook. Something. Catfish bill. Bill. So this is where I found Turbo Jr. There's so many parking. They're even parking like up there, and it's like $5 up there. But look at all these boats. There wasn't a parking spot, so I parked next to whatever this truck is, or who's ever. Put in some four-wheel drive and parked right there. So this is where I found Turbo. Right out there. Look, clip on that screw. Drill bit. Okay, we're on the other little dock. Fishing pole holder. Whoa. Ooh, pliers. Or clippers. Turbo's cleaning up his hometown. Yep. We got a lid, a Starbucks lid. End of a bungee. Okay, so there was a lot of boats coming in, so I went back to the Jeep. So, where are those little cutters? Oh, they're right there. Okay, so I was just using Turbo. So I got some like wire cutters, I got a fishing pole holder, Dos Equis cap, Starbucks cap, I got bolts, got the end of a bungee cord, a drill bit, a hook, a couple of hooks, a treble hook and a regular hook. There's the leader for the regular hook. So yeah, there's not a trash can down there, so Turbo just is holding it all right now. So put it in some four-wheel drive action and just hop the curb. I'm just gonna go right through there and go that way. Yeah. And we're gonna go right down here. Excellent. All right. See, Wiz, are you happy? I put it in four-wheel drive and did what a Jeep should Jeep. Okay, I didn't find a lot, but brought Turbo Jr. back to his home stomping ground where I found him. He didn't get stuck. I didn't throw it straight out from where he got stuck because there are some rocks out there. That's how I found him. He was stuck in a rock. I think I was using my 1200 double-sided. I'll have to look back at the video. But I threw it out there and I thought I was getting caught on a rock, and then I pulled up turbo. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.